behavior analysis desktop analytic app. This there is all the thing is defined in the block, and now I will explain that why this code is used, why this app is really useful. Problem: no structure your activity. If you use this app, you can watch, show watch, minute watch, dating, completion status, and platform. How this app solve this? Past structure, session input, valid entries. If average data counter and default dictionary, log metrics, platform summaries, and show performance tables. Problem: difficulty measuring engagement, industry issues, whether you finish show, how long they watch, if they deeply engaged. How this app solve it? Average watch time per session, completion rate and extra, solving 95 help show. These all are given performance level performance metric, mobile apps, web apps, smart TV, but I can only give desktop app or web app. Problem: lack of viewer segmentation. Without segmentation, our users appear identical in reporting dashboard, but in reality, viewers behavior differently. Some being watch, some watch casually, some completion everything, some randomly early. Being viewer, high total minutes per session. These are all given there. Problem: lack of education OT and tools. There are crowds, AP driven, not beginner friendly, expensive to prototype. How this app solve it? This run locally on your computer and require no external API, demonstrate real analytic logic and makes OTT reporting understandable. It acts as learning bridge between academic data science, real world product analytics, business impact simulation, measure retention, track user satisfaction, analyze content ROI, optimize engagement strategies, identify local versus risk viewer, strategic value of project. Structured analytic thinker with KPI awareness, based analytic delivery, practical segmentation design, product if position you are someone who understand. Product analytics, behavior modeling, media data interpretation. If you want to strengthen this further, these are want to strengthen further. Now I show the code and run the app. This is the app code. Now I run the code. So this is a sample data has been given. Planet forecast in V0 V1 52 minute 69. Yes, StreamX and everything is given. You can also load the sample data, and now I click on the analyze behavior. There is a summary is given. Total show by session. Planet 43 session average time is this, and atro who are 100% complete. 100% complete are V3 V1 session 2 1 2, and minutes watch, casual wear. So we can use it this app by TV show wear behavior analyzer. So I can explain the problem, what how what problem are solved by this, and how solved by this with the local app. If you want to make this app, please contact me.